Here's our stock market performance update for the month of July from Asset Camp. Let's take a look. Overall, global stocks returned 1.4% for the month. Developed markets outside of the U.S. were negative, while emerging markets returned 2%. Best performer was frontier markets at 6.8%, outperforming the U.S. by 4 percentage points. That's because Vietnam returned double digits. Vietnam makes up 30% of the frontier markets index, and with them signing a trade agreement or agreeing on a trade deal with the Trump administration, that helped the Vietnam market. Now, if we look at the dollar strengthened about 3.5% in the month, and that is what allowed or caused negative returns for developed markets outside of the U.S. If we take a look at returns in local currency, you see that Europe and World ex-US was actually positive. Now, what was the best performers on a year-to-date basis for the stock market? Best performers are Germany with a 32% return, followed by frontier markets, emerging Latin America, China, and then we have some value and small cap value outside of the U.S. Now, if we look at the worst performers on a year-to-date basis, it's essentially all U.S. stock indexes. U.S. small cap value is still negative year-to-date. And then in low single digits, we have India, U.S. small cap, U.S. mid cap value, U.S. small cap growth. And U.S. overall has returned 8.5% year-to-date. We're focusing on, right now, writing our monthly strategy report for Asset Camp. You can check that out there, and also at Money for the Rest of Us Plus. Any questions on the stock market, what's going on? Leave them below. Thanks.